Everyone, welcome to our channel, the IELTS Writing Test. I am Simran and in this video, I will discuss with you a writing task 2. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Our question for today is, many people think that zoos which keeps wild animals by man-made environment should no longer exist in 21st century. To what extent do you agree or disagree? That means many people are having the view that in 21st century there will be no zoos. So we have to tell that to what extent do we agree with the statement or disagree with the statement. Now in the introduction we will just paraphrase the given question. Some people think that wildlife parks should not exist in 21st century. I do not completely agree with the notion. That means I do not agree with the statement. The upcoming paragraphs snoop out the need of zoos. That means in the upcoming paragraphs we will be telling the need of these zoos. Now body paragraph 1. It is vividly apparent means clear that zoos have not only given shelter to animals but also provided food to them. That due to zoos the animals are not only having shelter on their head but they are also having food. Okay, owing to these parks many people are employed and are earning their basic amenities. Due to these parks what is happening, people are employed as they are working over there, so they are able to earn their basic amenities means basic needs of the life. To be more explicit, that means to be more clear, if zoos will not exist the animals will be on roads. Okay, what will happen, the animals will be on road, which could disturb human life, and it can disturb the human life and would be dangerous for them as well. That means it can be dangerous for animals as well. Moreover, they might be treated badly, as well. Now, for instance, a pregnant elephant was fed with pineapple filled with crackers and a cow was given food with granite in it and they both died. You must be aware of these two incidents which happened in India, that an elephant who was pregnant was given a pineapple filled with cracker and she died, and happened with cow also. Now, no doubt nature provides food in abundance. Abundance means in lot of ways, but still animals have to search it for their existence. That means to exist they have to find food, and for that search they will be on roads definitely. Moving further, on the flip side, zoo staff may lack in money to feed and take care of them, which may break off zoos. That means on the other side, the zoo staff may lack in money. They may not have money to take care of them and to feed them, which may break off means which may close these zoos. Now, in addition to it, they may misuse charity which is given by many people for the betterment of zoological garden. Instead of writing zoo, what I am writing here is zoological garden and animals, food and health. That means the people who are giving charity for the betterment of zoos and for feeding the animals and for their health, so they can misuse that money. Okay. Now, in conclusion, to recapitulate means to conclude, I believe that undeniably zoos may be harmful for animals, but due to these parks, humans are living safely on this earth. So I do not completely accord with the given statement. Humans are living safely on this earth, as well as the animals are living safely on this earth. Okay, as both are living safely due to these zoos. So I do not completely accord means I do not completely agree with the statement. So this was for today. Let's have a look on the vocabulary words. The first word is amenities, which means the basic needs. To be more explicit means clear. Next word is dangerous, as we all know the meaning of the word. Okay, means harmful. And the next word is abundance, that means in a very large amount. Next is zoological garden, which is a synonym for zoo. Next is I reckon that, means I believe that. Undeniably means there is no deniable, no doubt. We can't deny this. I do not completely accord means agree. I do not completely agree with the given statement. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.